Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In our previous video tutorial series, we have covered this screen. This screen contained many different small screens, and it's the combination of different sets. Like here is the menu location and menu location list. Then this is the menu location links list, menu location links, create form, and then there is list. We have created this layout to develop these pages. Like this is the menu links, and menu links regarding data appear here, and here is the menu list where we can declare the location of the menu, and here is the list where we have the record of menu location. Like this is the main top bar, and this is the main footer bar. Now the point is that we have to move on forward to complete this application. So this is just for the navigation. What kind of navigation you are wanted, you can create that from this part. Either you can create location, or either you can create links to populate them into certain locations. Okay, so now here is the main page which we have to develop. Right now we have just completed this section, I mean by the navigation, and make that dynamic. Now what we need to do, we need to work on further at logo. We have to make the logo as dynamic, and then we have to create post to populate them here. So the next target is to create a page where we can use the post. So let's create a page. I can simply create a page in which we have the textual part. We need title, we need description regarding the tutorial, we need to understand what is the major thing or the data requirement which we have to develop. So this is a simple block and thumbnail kind thing which will populate on the front screen of the page. So whenever a user will visit this website, he get to know how many courses and tutorials are available here. So first we will move on with tutorials, and then in the further video tutorials after completing this, we will create courses. So right now we have requirement to publish individual tutorials. So the essential part of any tutorial or post is that the title which is nominated, like what is here is the title, then description which is the second thing, and the category from which it is belonged. But when we are developing a website regarding the education and tutorials, so there is no category but there is courses. So right now we don't have courses, so we simply have two things to insert in database. First is the title, and second is the description. So now in the next video tutorial we will start getting hands-on on tutorial post and develop a procedure and perform through this through model to process our entities. So I hope this video tutorial is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel and keep connected.